Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Capricorn placement. Love reading, okay? End of this month. So, tingnan natin kung ano bang meron. Okay? So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And yeah, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. Okay? And kung may tanong po pagdating sa ating private or personal reading, message lang po sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, yun lang. Oo. Okay. Capricorn placements. Anong meron? Kukuha tayo dito. 2 cards for Capricorn. Kanina nakita ko si Resistance. Okay. Someone is resisting. Oo. Okay. May pagtanggi. Oo. Oh, broken. Okay. Capricorn. Ano bang meron for Capricorns, please? Capricorns. Okay. See? Again. Resistance. So, maybe, yeah, someone is resisting. Secret admirer. Suppressing. Timid. Anong meron, Capricorn? Anong meron? May nagre-resist. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Ano bang meron dyan sa resistance na iyan? Isa lang yon, okay? Kahit madami yan, walang doble dito. Okay? Okay. Anong meron sa resistance? Ano pa? For Capricorns, please. Capricorns. Memories. Ano yung kantang yun? Oo, masyadong bago. Abandoned. Left out, walked away, cold. Okay, so memories, reminiscing, dwelling, bittersweet. Resistance and memories. Some of you, may tao ritong pinipilit na hindi ka talaga alalahanin. Okay? Yep. Pero hindi nila mapigil na maalala ka. Capricorn. Pwedeng vice versa. Okay? Pwedeng vice versa. Okay. Copy. Okay. So, ano bang meron? Ano bang meron sa person na iniisip mo ngayon? Capricorns. Hindi ko alam bakit yun ang kanta na naisip ko. Ano bang title nun? Yesterday. Yeah, maybe someone is reminiscing about yesterday. Yesterday. Yes. Anong meron pagdating sa person mo, Capricorns? The Hanged Man in reverse. Yeah, this is resistance. Pwedeng Pisces. The Two of Cups in reverse. Okay. Tingnan ko kung ano meron sa The Hanged Man in reverse. Ito yung nagpupumilit. Oo, na umalis. Okay? But yeah, they still want you. They still want you. Ito yung parang taong nilalabanan yung sarili nila na wag kang gustuhin. Yeah. Ginaguard nila yung sarili nila from you. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So, tingnan natin, ano bang situation meron kayo? Okay. Yung iba sa inyo ha, before, nagkaroon kayo ng connection nito, but yeah, this is like sex base. Just sex base. Okay, may Three of Cups sa ilalim. Pwedeng parang hindi lumevel up yung inyong relationship. Para kayong friends with benefits. Okay, tingnan natin. Situation, please. Situation ng mga Capricorns and ng person na iniisip nila. The Two of Swords. Avoiding. Avoiding. Someone is too indecisive. Okay? Pwedeng ang situation nyo ngayon is ina-avoid na makipag-usap sa isa't isa. Or action, to take action. Someone is avoiding na mag-take action. Okay? Oh. Kaya siguro ina-avoid. Maybe someone is like already in a connection. Pwedeng vice versa. Okay? Bakit nandito itong Two of Swords? Ano itong Two of Swords para sa situation ng mga Capricorns? Yeah. The Seven of Wands in reverse. Someone is too afraid na mag-guard down. Okay? Meron ditong parang talagang natatakot na ma-reject. Meron din ditong natatakot na ma-reject. Yeah. I think kasi ang nakikita ko rito is pwedeng yung nangyayaring connection ninyo is may limit. Hanggang dito lang. Hindi na pwedeng umusad hanggang doon. Hanggang dito lang. Hindi na pwedeng umusad hanggang doon sa malayo, hanggang dito lang. May boundaries. Pag lumagpas ka, oops, hindi na pwede. Hanggang dito lang. Okay. So, tingnan natin ano emosyon sa'yo ng taong to. Capricorn. Ano emosyon niya sa'yo, Capricorn? Tingnan natin. Okay. The Temperance. In reverse. Pwedeng Sagittarius. Impatience. Pwedeng itong taong to makagawa ng isang decision na based, no? Bumabase sila sa emosyon. Okay? Pwedeng itong mga to is ganun sa ngayon. Pwedeng gagawa sila ng decision based on their emotions. Hindi sa kanilang pag-iisip. Okay? They are sad. Why the Temperance in reverse? Okay. Why the Temperance in reverse? Yeah. See? The King of Cups. They still want you. They still love you. Yeah. They are. They do. Oh, this is sad, Capricorn. This is sad. Kahit mahal ka nito, sa maniwalat ka hindi, pinipigilan niya yung sarili niya kung next sa'yo. They like you, pero pinapakawalan ka. They're holding back, resisting the memories. Bittersweet. Ay, ang sad nito, nakakaramdam ako ng kalungkutan sa kanila. Capricorn. Wait lang, iiyak lang ako. Oo, nakakalungkot ito. Nalulungkot ako sa side nila. Oo, para sa part nila. Okay, tingnan natin. Ano bang emosyon mo, Capricorn, for them? Okay. Anong emosyon mo for them, Capricorn? Oh, you're juggling. Why? Oh, the Chariot in reverse. Pwedeng Cancer yan. Okay? Cancer, Pisces, Sagittarius. Yeah, ayun lang ang nakikita ko sa ngayon. Maybe, someone is juggling. Okay, juggling. Two of Pentacles, the Two of Swords. Someone is too indecisive. Okay, hindi makagawa ng desisyon yung isa sa inyo. Why? Tingnan natin itong Two of Pentacles para sa emosyon nyo. For them, naguguluhan yung iba sa inyo, nako-confuse. Hindi malaman. Yeah. The Eight of Wands, Universe. Oh no. Shalala. So nice to be happy. Ang lumbay nito, Capricorn. Pareho kayo. Pareho kayo. Oo. You still love each other. Oo. Ang lumbay. Oo. Okay. Emotion mo for them. Unsure. Unsure. But yeah, you still love them. Pero I don't know kung anong trigger sa'yo kung bakit nagiging unsure ka na. Well, maybe, kung hindi kayo nag-uusap nito, yun yung isang dahilan. Or maybe, if there's separation here, yun yung isang dahilan rin. Okay, blockages, nandyan din. Pwedeng iba sa inyo, mayroon tong ginawa tong taong to na nagkokos ng mga agam-agam mo. Ganon. I don't know. Okay, so tingnan natin anong next action niya. Anong next action niya? Pagdating sa'yo, Capricorn, may next action ba siya? Okay, tingnan natin. Oh, andyan pa rin, oh. Shuffle ko na. Okay. Next action. The Four of Wands, Universe. There's no plan. Wala siyang plan. Anong mangyayari kung walang plano? Andyan yung love. Andyan yung pag-iisip. Kung wala din namang plano, anong mangyayari? You still have unfinished business with this person. Okay? Unfinished business. Noon, malayang-malaya kayong ginagawa kung anong dapat gawin. Nakita ko lang dito. Oo. Malayang-malaya kayong ginagawa kung anong gusto nyong gawin. I don't know. This is something physical. Yes. The Four of Wands, Universe. If there's separation, andyan pa rin ang separation. Okay? Yeah. The Five of Pentacles. Wala silang gagawin. Hindi to gagawa ng kung anumang hakbang para magkaroon kayo ng pagkakaayos. Hindi to hihingi ng sorry kung ano man whatsoever. Wala at all. Hahayaan lang nila to. Okay? Hahayaan lang nila. Ano bang problem? Tinanong. Tingnan natin. Ano bang problem nitong taong to? Ano ba talaga yung dahilan niya? Okay? Ano ba talaga ang dahilan ng taong to? Capricorn. Bakit? Bakit hindi niya kayang gumawa ng kung ano man na dapat gawin? Para maging okay kayo? The Page of Pentacles. Okay. So, communication. Ang nakikita ko rito. Yes. And, pwedeng ni-stalk ka niya. The Page of Pentacles. Kasi wala akong nakikita ritong pakikipag-usap sa'yo, sa inyong dalawa. And lumabas itong si Page of Pentacles. They're stalking. They're stalking. Ang isa pang hadlang dito is pwedeng someone is like focusing patungkol sa mga kailangang simulan. Okay? Meron ditong nag-uumpisa, meron ditong hindi makapag-umpisa. Yeah. Ito. Ito, nag-uumpisa to. Okay? So, tingnan natin ano ba ang magiging outcome nyo. Outcome ng mga Capricorns and their person. Okay. Oh. There's no happily ever after dito. Oo. The Ten of Cups in reverse. Again, the Chariot in reverse. So sad. So sad as F. Okay. Ten of Cups. This is sadness. Failed relationship. Okay. Yeah. Strength. Holding back. I think some of you, ego to. Okay. Meron ditong parang nag-failed and meron ditong parang nagiging nagmo-move forward. Yeah. But yeah, this person still want you, still love you. Some of them, pwedeng feeling nila wala ka ng pakialam sa kanila. Okay, nakakakuha ka na ng attention from other person or what. Excuse me. So, yeah. Ang pwede lang nilang magawa is to think of you and pinipigilan pa nila yung sarili nila na ma-miss kayo, isipin kayo, yeah. Okay? Ang hirap nito. Ang hirap nito. Nalulungkot ako for them. Yeah. Okay. Pwedeng pakaramdam nila wala ka ng oras sa kanila or wala ka na talagang pakialam sa kanila in general. So, why pa? Bakit ako maghahabol? So, nandun yung strength, nandun yung ego. Okay? So, unhappy. Unhappy. And ego. Ang nakikita kong outcome ninyo. Because of the ego. Yeah. Because of the, sabihin nating pagkatakot, no? I don't know. Okay. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Okay. All signs. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Oops. Okay. Aries. They feel stuck. Okay. Stuck. Taurus. Takot sa commitments. Gemini. Oh. They want a return. Oh, they want a comeback. Okay. Yeah, the nine of cups. Some of them pwedeng gusto makipag-ayos, pero be careful. Okay? Be careful. Next. Cancer. Oh. They still want you. They still feel connected. Okay? Yeah. Pero wala akong nakikitang pag-uusap dito. Leo. Okay. There's a third party with this Leo. Virgo, focusing on their job, career, kaperahan in general to avoid conflicts, to avoid drama. Libra, okay, they're manipulator. Yeah. Scorpio, so they are sad, no? They are sad, feeling nila left out, ganyan, okay? Sagittarius, okay? So, maybe ang pagdadrop na lang sa'yo ang isang ah, way para maalis na yung stress niya. Okay? Yeah. Dropping you. Yan. Capricorn. Oh, si Capricorn is focusing sa kanyang self, sa kanyang healing. Okay, all in all, pagdating lang sa sarili, ang focus niya. Aqua. Okay. Dibi, ano eh, nagiging arrogante sila. Okay? Like, pwedeng nawawala na rin yung attraction pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Pwedeng nawawala na yung attraction nila rin sa'yo. No? Pisces. Oh, detached and cold. Some of them, galit sila sa'yo. Okay? Pero, meron tong gustong makitang katotohanan. Kung ano bang meron. I don't know why. Okay? Okay, so yun ang nakikita ko for you, Capricorn placement. So, yeah, thank you. Bye!